Amazon Echo or Google Nest Hub, which smart display is the better pick? Both promise smart home control, streaming, and hands-free help. But which one fits your style best? So, the Echo Show comes in multiple sizes. I take it it's this one. The 5-inch one, the 10-inch one, and there's also another 8-inch one with a punchy display and a built-in camera for video calls. The Nest Hub has a sleeker, minimalist look. No camera for added privacy and a softer ambient light sensor that blends into your room. Echo Show runs on Alexa, giving you a huge library of skills, excellent smart home integration, and full video calling through Alexa devices or Zoom. Nest Hub leans more on Google Assistant, which excels at search, calendar management, and YouTube integration. Plus, it offers sleep sensing on the Hub too for health tracking, something Echo does not match. Now, as far as Echo Show, it delivers the stronger bass and fuller sound, great for music and streaming Prime Video or Netflix. Nest Hub's audio is more balanced but less powerful, and it focuses heavily on YouTube and Google Photos for a personalized feel. Nest Hub usually costs less, starting around $99, while Echo Show ranges higher depending on size. But the camera, sound quality, and broader app ecosystem give Echo Show an edge if you're okay with the higher price. So, which one fits best? I'd say Echo Show for entertainment and smart home depth, and Nest Hub for privacy and smooth Google integration. Now, it's according to you which one fits you best. Let me know in the comments below.